Hi everybody, this is the fourth day of our work in Aceh. So far our progress has been pretty good. I think quite a few of us have learned how to tie the wires to the foundation and also mix the cement, roll the wheelbarrow, and also hopefully in the coming days we'll know how to lay bricks. So far I think we've helped about 4 or 5 families, I think at least 5. So things are going pretty well. So we'll probably show you how the progress has gone, and we'll be in touch later.
Cool. This is Farhan. He lost his sister and his mom in that tsunami, but it seems that life has won for him. Yeah, and this is other friend, Khairullah.
Enjoyable trip, okay. Food was alright.
No, it's been good to be here and more eye opener, and glad to be here and done with, and I hope to come back again one day.
It's not because that I am more capable or I am more knowledgeable. It's because I am ordinary, but I made a choice to live different.
I'm glad I came, and
You're glad you're leaving?
don't know yet whether I'm still glad that I'm leaving, and learn a lot, miss the kids, hope to come back again.
I'm glad to go home soon. Just wondering how we're going to arrange the next trip to come down and see what's happened since the time we are not around. No, I'm not making sense, but must be the ganja.
I guess all of us are very glad to be going back to our own home, you know, to our warm showers, clean showers, nice bed and all. So just imagine folks who live there actually can't get away to anywhere. They live there, and actually the hotel they were staying is pretty good too. So, and also I guess as a little bit of advertisement for Habitat, all of us are actually coming from different backgrounds, from different work life and all. None of us are construction workers, but all of us I think chip in a little bit for the folks in Aceh. So if we can do it, I'm sure you guys could too.
Balik. Ayo balik.
Okay.
Now you know why the Acehnese make fun of the foreigners. This is how we wake up in the morning with the alarm. And then the way we do it with all our strength, that's how it is. And I've been elected the mascot of the team.
Okay, this is commercial break. Oh Pizza Hut, oh Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken and Pizza Hut. Oh Pizza Hut, oh Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken and Pizza Hut. McDonald's, McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Pizza Hut, McDonald's, McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and a Pizza Hut. Okay, done. Commercials over.